lava flow is quite spectacular. It's a blocky lava flow, and closer to the vent it's got some high structures. Osvaldo, the person who is studying the lava, is here with us as well. Osvaldo, remind us, how big is the lava?
It's almost 1 kilometer, yeah, and wow, it's majestic actually. You can see all the different structure around the blocky lavas that I told you. So it's fantastic.
Yes, it is fantastic, I have to admit. So it's about 1 kilometer from the vent, and got a width of several hundred meters. And there you see some fantastic kind of broken up surface areas that have been kind of pushing each other. And there's more to come on the other side. Look at this! Whoa! And here's the main cone once more, but we are here for the lava. This is one of the few rather mafic compositions in the Andes, so this is a somewhat special thing. And of course it's a little reddish, it's a little oxidized. Here you see the tilted up crusts that the lava that was pushing each, the hardened fragments were pushing each other, and here you can see how they give these bizarre shapes and landscape forms. Fantastic, really. I mean, you're right, Osvaldo, it is majestic.
Yeah, I think so.
It looks like a lunar landscape in a way. Yes, you're right, Fran. So here's a few more impressions, and we're looking up to the cone. There's actually a railway going through there, and this railway is going from Bolivia all the way to Antofagasta. So, but I understand there's not a lot of trains going. They're rather infrequent. And here in the far distance, we have some big, beautiful, juicy stratovolcanoes again. Let's see whether we can get them. Yay! Here we go. And you have to help me a little bit, Osvaldo. Which one is the big one there?
The big one in front of us is
Yes.
Cebolla volcano.
Oh!
Yes, the big one.
How high is it? It must be about 6,000 meters or so.
Yeah, I think so. And Pliocene volcano. And the smaller ones, Paul, sorry, but I have no response.
That's okay,
But we
that's
can
okay.
see one of the flows of San Pedro volcano. Just
Yes,
in front of us.
the big flow there in the
Yes.
foreground, the dark material coming in the middle
Yes.
of the image. Yes, fantastic. Wow, what a landscape, I have to say. Have you ever seen the rain?
No, not here.